Imagine standing at the edge of a colossal curtain of water, mist rising all around as the mighty Zambezi River plunges into a chasm below. This is Victoria Falls, one of the world's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. Beyond the breathtaking views, the area offers sunset river cruises with hippos and elephants, exhilarating helicopter rides, and vibrant local markets filled with handcrafted treasures. Savor traditional dishes like bream fish and maize porridge, and immerse yourself in the rhythms of local music and dance for an unforgettable adventure.